Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Really? Alright, start over. Hi guys, happy Valentine weekend. Alright, so I thought I would come up here and film a video really fast. It is Valentine evening. We just got home from dinner. So Keith and I went for dinner to a really nice restaurant in a little town not too far away from where I live called Mentone. So there was a lot of hippies up there. It's like a little mini Asheville. So I just love it, and the restaurants are so good. They're like farm to table where they grow their own food, and I mean, you just can't ask for better food. So my sister and her husband and Keith and I all went. We had a really good time. So anyway, I thought I better go up here and film a video for you guys because I've been promising this unboxing since last week, and the box is still sitting here untouched, and I really can't wait any longer. But before I do, I want to share with you my Valentine's bag. So this is the bag that I took with me today, my little return to Tiffany, New York. Now this is the one and the Tiffany blue bags that have been popping up all over the place in Marshall's. But you guys, I don't know what I paid for this. I'm not sure what I paid for this, guys, but yeah, I'm sure I paid a pretty good bit, more than they're charging at Marshall's. But I thought this was the perfect little Valentine's bag, and I think the lighting is kind of blowing out the letters. And then the back also has a heart, and I wore it crossbody, so I thought it was really, really cute. So it's the perfect little Valentine's bag. Okay, so I also have something from Portland Leather Good, and I got some a very special subscriber. So if you want to see what all I have to share with you guys, stick around. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is share with you, I got a card in the mail. This is one of my longest and dearest subscribers. She has been with me pretty much since day one. She wanted to send me something, so I'm excited to see this card. So she sent me this beautiful card. It says, "Sending a little love your way. Because you deserve a really happy Valentine's Day. Yota, have a good day. Your friend Shirley. Love ya." Aw, love you too, Shirley. And I love the fact that we've gotten to know each other and that we get to chat occasionally. And I always look forward to you saying Yota in the comments. She never really says a lot, but I always know she's there for me, and I just appreciate you so very much. She also sent these two cute little items. This is like a little, what is that? Oh, it looks like a little gnome, like a little Easter gnome. How cute. And then she sent this. It says Easter wishes and bunny kisses. How sweet. That is so sweet. Thank you so much, Shirley. I've got a bulletin board over here, and I'm going to put these cute little items on my bulletin board, and I will think of you when I look at them, and I just really appreciate the sentiment. All right, guys, so I was looking on the Portland Leather Good website because there's a bag that I'm wanting, and I think it's called the Verona tote, and I will put up a picture for you. And I want it in that chili red, and I can't get my hands on it because I want the large. I don't want the medium size, I want the large. I had also been looking on eBay, and I found the prettiest charm that I think would go so good with it, and it would go with a lot of bags that I have. So I got this charm. I think that, I'm not really sure if this is still on the website, but I love these leather charms. You know, I got the one of the firefly, but then I found this one, and this is that chili red. It also has like embroidery on it, and I just thought it was really, really pretty. So I can use this on lots of bags, but I would love to get my hands on that chili red large Verona bag. I thought this would be beautiful with it. So yeah, this is what I picked up from eBay, and I was just thrilled when I found this. So this is my Portland Leather Good beautiful little leather butterfly. I just love it. Let me hold it up to this pink. I wouldn't wear it on this bag, but just to show you what it looks like on a pink bag. Isn't that pretty? Very pretty. All right. Now, I have a couple of small items from Coach. There goes my voice. And then I'm going to reveal to you guys the bag that I have been waiting for, looking for. You guys, I tried to talk myself out of it, and then I got obsessed, and then I couldn't find it. So I finally found it, and the day is here that I'm finally going to open it. I'm so excited. All right, so the items that I have here, I'm super excited about, especially one of them. I can't wait to see it. But you guys, I've fallen in love with the corner zip. And I think I have, do I have 4 of them? And they're all special editions, like from special drops. But this is just a regular corner zip because I thought maybe I'll just, you know, get one that will go with just about any bag. So that is what is in here. So let me show you the one that I picked out. I also got one, well, I'll explain here in a minute. I actually ordered 2 of these, and it is just the monogram, just the brown monogram. I thought I might just want a plainer one, so I went ahead and got this, but it matches with something. Let me show you. And I can't wait to see this because I've never seen it in person. Here it is. Okay, here it is. This is what I've been so excited about. Okay, let me get into this little bag. So what I got myself, I also bought for my bestie. I got her the same corner zip and also the same bag charm. Oh my gosh. I got the little puffy teddy. So I want the black one, but I don't know what it was about this one that just spoke to me. How cute is this? And of course it has this leather, and it's got kind of this, and you loop it around like that. And I just love charms like this. I think that's why I love the Sticky Zoo charms so much. And they're pretty pricey. I thought this was the cutest charm. And this was just $55. I didn't think it was bad at all. And the wristlet was $35. So I just thought, how cute. How cute are these? And I think that this would look really good in my chalk bags. Just about any bag I would want to use, I could use this, and I just had to get this. So I'm so excited. I also saw, well, I mentioned the black one, and then there was the shearling. But somebody, maybe it was Ed. I was thinking about getting that shearling Coach bag, the tabby. I was gonna get it when it went on sale. But he said it feels like carpet, so I don't know. I just kind of decided against it because I was going to get the little Sherpa bear, but this one right here I just thought was too cute. So this is really what I went on the website to get. And then I thought, well, maybe I'll just get the corner zip to match. So I also got my best friend for Valentine's Day. I got her the corner zip, and I won't take hers out, and this. So I'm going to take this to her tomorrow. I'm so excited about this little bear, you guys. If you don't have it, you might want to grab it. I just think it would be just so cute. Look how cute it is. I wouldn't put it on this bag. I'm just holding it up to show you. So I'm just so excited about this little bear. I can't stand it, you guys. He is so cute. All right, guys. Let me just take a breath here because I can't wait to get into this bag. I have wanted it. Well, at first I just said, I'm not gonna get it. I don't know why, because I've always kind of wanted a bag like this. And once I open it up, I'll tell you the story and kind of what my thinking was. And so that makes me wonder why now? Why I tried to talk myself out of it. Okay. So if you notice, I'm buying more Coach than anything when I've always been more of a luxury handbag girl. And I do love my luxury handbags, and I'm not going to stop buying them. But I am definitely going to slow down on luxury, which I mainly buy Louis Vuitton. I get an occasional Gucci. But there's just not a lot of luxury bags that I'm just attracted to. I do have some Chanel and I have some Fendi, but there's not anything else from Fendi I would like. I used to think I wanted the Peekaboo, but I really just don't want it anymore. But I'm just getting so tired of the luxury prices, because when you can get bags like we can get from Coach, you guys, I just don't see the need to continue spending so much when I have so many Louis Vuitton bags. I'm not saying I'm not going to, because I want that soft speedy 30. So here's how it came. I'm talking about 2 bags at once, but I want the Soft Speedy. Hopefully I'll get it this year. But bags like Coach, oh my gosh, they're to die for, you guys. And that's just how I feel about them. All right, so I have a bag. Can you guess what it might be by looking at it? I can't wait to see this in person. Oh my goodness. Okay. I mean, I'm really, I don't know. I need to pinch myself because I feel like this is so surreal because I've wanted it for so long and looked for so long. Stop talking and unbag. Okay, so let's go ahead and take this bag out of its dust bag. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I got the little kiss lock. And you know what? When these first came out, my first instinct was to grab it. I thought that is like the cutest little, like, you know, it's like your grandmother's little bag. And I know that they also came out with the real pretty one with the crystals, which is gorgeous. But I wanted just the black leather because this is more to me like a little grandma bag. You know, I didn't realize how big these balls. You guys, I didn't realize how big these balls are, okay? All right, oh my gosh. Okay, so it's got 2, why does it have 2 tags? Oh, this one says the Kiss Lock Frame Bag Limited Re-Edition 1969. Oh my gosh, so with this little handle, and this is the way I really want to carry it. How cute is this? Now, I was never tempted to get the larger one because, I don't know, the large Kiss Lock, especially in the crystal, that's just like, to me, too much of a good thing. I mean, if you love it, that's good. But for me personally, I just don't think I could go there. I would have to try on the large to know for sure. But this is so, so cute. And after I talked myself out of it, then it was, you know, I couldn't find it anymore. And then I started looking for it and I found it. So, oh my gosh, you guys, this leather is gorgeous. It's genuine glove tanned leather and it says so right here on the bottom. This is the cutest little thing I've ever seen. Oh my gosh. How cute is this? Oh, it has a chain strap. I had forgotten about that. So it has this chain strap. So let's go ahead and take it out. It's a very small chain strap. I don't think I would use this for every day, but maybe special occasion. But I really do think that I'm going to use this bag just a little hand carry because, you know, like grandma would have carried it. This is just so cute. Oh my gosh. And so the gold on here on the strap I love because it's just kind of a matte gold. It's not shiny, as is the hardware on the bag. When I open it up on the inside, it's pretty big, you guys. That's another thing that stopped me in the beginning. I thought it's just too small. But looking at it and holding it here in my hands, it really is not. Of course, it will hold my phone, and I think it would it would hold all my necessities. This wouldn't be an everyday bag, but if I go out with my friends, if I go out on date night, or my sister and I, you know, we have a lot of girls' nights. And so it's just so perfect. And, you know, go to church. It's just the perfect little bag. Now, I might consider getting this one in the crystals as well, but I wouldn't consider the big one. So, I don't know. We'll see. I'm just so thrilled to have this cutie. Oh my gosh, it's just so, so cute. This leather is just amazing. So, so soft. I love it, you guys. It's all leather on the inside. All leather, you guys. And this is a luxury bag, if you ask me. This is a luxury bag, 100% luxury bag. Okay, so I put the bag on with the chain, and I'm going to show you what it looks like on me. And I might wear it this way, actually. It looks cuter than I thought it would. Now, this strap here, it just has to hang here. I'll just, like, put it against my body, like that. But it looks really cute. it hits me at the perfect place too. So yeah, I might wear it like that. I think most of the time I will just hand carry it, but at least I have the option. And the chain is small. I could just leave the chain in the bag if I decide I want to carry it that way. But look how cute. Oh my goodness, I just love it. All right, guys, that's really all I have to share with you. I hope you all had an amazing Valentine. Even if you stay home and you're there with your family and the ones that you love, that's all that matters. Every day should be Valentine. You don't have to have a special day. But I did have a really wonderful time with my husband and my sister and my brother-in-law. We always laugh a lot when we're together. Do you have this bag? What do you think about it? Do you love it? I'm just so excited and stoked to have it in my collection. So I have a little commentary coming up next week, and it is kind of in response to another YouTuber's rant about the Coach C, okay? And how the Coach C basically is not as good as other logos because it's Coach and because it's $550 versus, you know, her $10,000 Hermes bag. I mean, the H is fine. Okay, we're not going to go there today because I have a lot to say about it, you guys, and I'm not cutting anybody. You know, everybody can have their own opinion. Well, I've got mine, and I've got a really strong opinion about it. And I've just been actually wanting to talk about it because I'm always saying that Coach is luxury, and I know it's not considered a high-end luxury brand, but I don't know why. Because for bags like this, with leather like this, and details like they put out, this brand is amazing. So yeah, I do have a little commentary coming up. So that'll be next week. I also have another, well, it's not an unboxing. I will be showing you guys what Keith got me for Valentine Day. So it's probably going to be the same video. So that's coming up probably on Wednesday. All right, guys, I hope you have an amazing rest of the weekend. Thank you so much for spending time with me. Don't forget to subscribe, you guys. I will see you probably on Wednesday this coming week. I love you all so much. Peace.